Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to reset your Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to reset your Windows 10 PC, so very easy. First click on start, after click on settings, after click on updates and security, click on updates and security, after click on recovery, after click on get start, and choose any option, keep my file, remove everything. So click on keep my file, and after click on reset. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to reset your Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.